Hello students, welcome to my channel, that is online classes. Please like my video and subscribe my channel to get more updates. Now, many of you were unable to send your messages to your class teacher or your subject teacher through Campus Care. So, I have made this presentation for you all that how you can send your message to your teacher or subject teacher. So, let's see. So, how to send message to teachers through Campus Care. So, we have to follow some steps to send your message to your teachers. Step 1. First of all, you have to open Campus Care app in your mobile. As you see, it is shown in the image. Okay, in the mobile, Campus Care app is opened. Now comes the step 2. You have to sign in with your user ID and password provided by the school. As you see in the image, okay, user ID up is there and you will have to type your password. Then you have to tap on sign in button. Now step 3. Now the home page will appear in which you have to tap on message icon. This you see in the image, this page will open. Okay. So many icons are there for homework, circular, news, events. So in this you see encircled, it is there in red color circle. Message you have to choose. Okay. So you have to choose the message icon, means you have to tap it. The message icon. Now comes the step 4. After tapping on the message icon, all the messages will appear which was sent to you by your teachers. As you see, this page will open as you will tap on your message option. Okay. So here all the messages which was sent to you will show. Now comes the step 5. After opening the message section, you have to select any one message by pressing it long. You see, I have chosen the first message which was there, that is of Ma'am Sana. Okay. So, any one message you have to press it long, sent by the teacher. After that, you will see one page will open. Okay. At that page only, down you see your message has been selected option will appear. As you see, it is highlighted with the red circle mark. Okay. So this will appear just down part. Means the right side down you will see your message has been selected and forward option is there. After that, what we have to do? You have to tap on forward option, which is just right side down you see forward options. Next, this page will open, that is compose box. After tapping the teacher message, long pressing it down, the forward option will come. After pressing on the forward option, this page which is shown in the right side will open, in which up compose it is written. Okay. So this is the compose box will appear with your forwarded message which you have selected. Now what we have to do next, you have to delete the teacher's message with the help of backspace key. Okay, in your mobile keyboard is there. Now you see it is highlighted also, circled with red. Okay, with the backspace you have to delete the forwarded messages of the teacher. Then tap on the icon on the top to select the teacher to whom you want to send a message. Okay, you see this top one I have highlighted here down, plus icon is there. Okay, So we have to tap on it to choose to which teacher you want to send your message. After that, you will see after tapping on the plus icon, this page will open. Okay, up it is written compose mail. So this page will open in which you have to select class teacher. You see so many options up it is given admin, C teacher means class teacher, S teacher means subject teacher, and done option is there. Okay, so here you have to select whether you have to send your message to your class teacher or the subject teacher. Okay. So I have selected here in this page the subject teacher. So when we will select the subject teacher, the list of all the subject teachers who is teaching you different subjects, all the names will be visible, okay, with the box. So I have selected here Ma'am Sana. So we have to tap on that in the box, that tick mark will be shown. After that tick mark, we have to tap above done. Okay, done is there as you see in the image. So after selecting the teacher to whom you want to send your message, we have to tap on done button. After tapping on the done button, you see now the page will open in which the ma'am name is written here, to whom I have to send a message, means you have to send the message. So now I am sending the message to Ma'am Sana. Okay, so here her name is visible there. Down you see plus sign is there. After the plus sign, okay, you see the encircled part is there. Okay, this arrow mark, the encircled part is there after the plus sign. Now here you have to type your message. Okay, whichever message you want to, any query is there you want to ask your subject teacher. So here you will type your message. Okay, here the encircled part which is shown, the red color. Okay, after that you have to tap on the send option, this arrow, the right side arrow you see. After typing your message, you will tap on the arrow mark. Then after tapping on the arrow mark, your message will be sent to respective teacher. Here I have chosen Ma'am Sana. So the message will go to Ma'am Sana. So like this, we will send our message to the subject teacher or the class teacher by following these steps. Thank you for watching my presentation. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.